Pag-aralan ng wasto, panatiling sariwang hangin.
Hello everyone. Let's talk about environmental management and compliance, especially for managers. This information will be of great help to managers in performing their function as the managing head of the establishment towards environmental management and compliance. One of the basic legal basis for managers in performing their function as managing head is DAO 2014-02 or revised guidelines for PCO accreditation as exemplified in Section 8 of DAO 2014-02 for the managing head, 8 hours training on environmental management covering basic environmental laws, rules and regulations, and duties and responsibilities of pollution control officers. So sa mga managers acting as the managing head, kailangan magkaroon sila ng 8-hour training on environmental management base dito sa Department Order 2014-02. So kung ikaw ay patungo sa environmental compliance, unahin natin yung pag-attend ng 8-hour training at yung certificate of training ay magagamit natin yan as proof of compliance to these policy issuance. Now, the managing head holds ultimate accountability, lalong-lalo sa environmental compliance. Ang environmental laws sa Pilipinas, merong malaking kampanin ang managing head. It requires leadership oversight, resource allocation, and enforcement of environmental safeguard. Ano itong batas na kailangan siguruhin ng managers o managing head na kailangan nako-comply? As shown is the 5 environmental laws: PD 1586, RA 6969, RA 8749, RA 9003, and RA 9275. Siyempre, may malaking kampanin ang isang manager ng isang establishmento towards environmental compliance. And as shown on the matrix, different role of managing heads to comply with the requirements of 5 major environmental laws. So among many, the acquisition of the necessary permits, clearance or certificates, the implementation of project programs and activities that can help our environment, the periodic monitoring of compliance, and of course, to make strategic initiatives to prevent environmental violation. So for now, that is our environmental management and compliance for managing heads. Thank you very much for listening.